Mr. Bird, proud and strong, never thought it was wrong when one day from the sky this young bird landed nearby. Half his age she must have been. In no time he was quite keen. After that day he was on a quest to prove that to her he was the best. His lonely life was soon to change when Mrs. Bird came within range.
Oh, I yearn for a proper nest, among the rocks and cliffs like all the rest. But he prefers this windy spot. No complaints though, that's my lot. Some may think that we fight, but all of this is a courtship right. Every year we'll do the same, no assumptions in this dating game.
In my defence, what can I say? Only that I've always been this way. Like an albatross I could roam, but it's this table I call home.
Now and then we feel the need to swoop down here and feed. He'll stand for hours on the table. I'll sometimes join him when I'm able.
Through the window you can see the cat, the bird and me.
When there are no crusts around, we go for worms and stamp the ground. Up they pop from this wild larder, more and more as we try harder.
I've not been feeling well of late. Maybe it's something bad I ate. Maybe it's the effect she has on me, when that pretty face is all I see.
Make an effort, you silly bird. Off you go, not a word. Find some sticks, pebbles too. Bits of grass will not do. It's like this every year. I'll get too old for chicks, I fear. He just goes through the motions. Oh, he has some silly notions. Now it may come as a shock that when the sun rose high, the time had come to take stock, and so it was I had to fly. All through summer he was unperturbed, his urban life undisturbed. His urban wife had flown, little emotion he had shown. When I'm out in the bay, with the other birds at play, I watch him from far away, knowing I'll be with him one day. Oh, it feels so good to soar 300 feet off the floor. All around the others fly, restless, hungry in the sky. As the days get longer, the instinct will get stronger. I'll fly in more often, seeing him I always soften. Early March I'm back, I'm glad, a winter at sea I have had. Gliding the wave tops and flying free, now it's back to normality. At first he had a little frown, feathers I have ruffled, but bit by bit he came around, the closer that I shuffled. The man inside gives us food, but not enough to feed a brood. He doesn't want to attract the others, eager fathers and anxious mothers.
Do you like my head, flecked in grey? Every autumn it looks this way, yet midwinter in wind and snow, my new white feathers will grow.
Even though on many a day I think I should just fly away, I suppose I'll stand by him. Clever bird, he's not so dim. It's long enough, this tale must end. Life with him I will spend. I am glad that you have heard the tale of me and Mr. Bird.